Hello, today we will guide you through how to change audio pitch in CapCut PC. To get started, open the CapCut app on your computer. Once the program launches, you'll want to make sure you're in your editing workspace and ready to work with a project. If you already have a project open, that's fine too, as long as you can access the timeline where your media clips appear. Next, drag your sample video into the timeline. This is important because CapCut needs an audio source in the timeline before you can make pitch changes. If your video already includes sound, that audio will be attached to the clip automatically. After placing it in the timeline, give it a quick check so you know the correct clip is selected and ready for editing. Now move your attention to the top right area of the interface and click on Audio. This section gives you access to audio-related controls for the selected clip. If you don't see the expected options right away, make sure the clip in the timeline is still highlighted, because many editing tools only appear when a clip is actively selected. From there, click on Voice Changer. This is the feature that allows you to modify how the audio sounds, including changing the pitch. In CapCut, this area may also include several voice styles or presets that can quickly alter the tone of the audio, which is useful if you want a faster adjustment before fine-tuning. Once you're in the Voice Changer settings, look for the option called High and select it. Choosing High raises the pitch of the audio cue, which can make a voice sound lighter or sharper. This is a good starting point if your goal is to create a higher pitch sound without manually building the effect from scratch. After selecting it, adjust the pitch by dragging the control until the audio sounds the way you want. Take your time here and make small changes, since even slight pitch adjustments can noticeably affect the final result. It's usually a good idea to preview the clip as you go so you can hear how the change sounds in context with the rest of your video. When you're happy with the result, save the adjustment. That locks in your pitch change and keeps the edited audio applied to your clip. And that's it. You've successfully changed the audio pitch in CapCut PC.